Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. X multiplied by x squared and y squared. Y multiplied by x squared and y squared. We know that x to the power of 3 xy squared, x squared y, y to the power of 3, they are degree number 3. So that means we can use about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vx. So if I do first derivative for the both sides, you got about first derivative of y. First derivative of v, you got about dv over dx multiplied by x. First derivative of x, you got about number 1. So we have v. This is about the product rule of derivative. Y we change vx. Similar for this one and this one. This one we change by this one. This one you got about v square x to the power of 3. This one you got about vx to the power of 3. This one you got about v to the power of 3x to the power of 3. Next, we simplify x to the power of 3 for the both sides. Now, I will put this one go to the right. And you got about negative v squared plus 2. Later that we divide both sides by this one. Next, I will put v go to the right. You got about negative v. So I will put negative go in here. Now we can do common denominator. This one you got about v squared plus 2v to the power of 4. And now we combine two fractions in here. You got about 2v to the power of 4 plus 2v squared plus number 2. And now this one we put on the left, the s and s we put on the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Now I will concentrate about this one. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. first derivative of v to the power of 4, you got about 4v to the power of 3. First derivative of v squared, you got about 2v dv. And then this one you got about 8v to the power of 3. This one you got about 4v. Later that we divide both sides by number 4. And now we see that this one is similar for this one. This one in here we change by u. V plus 2v to the power of 3 dv, we change by the u over number 4. The integration of the u over u, you got about ln of the absolute value of u, and we put about c. About u, that is about this one. And we put about c. Now we need to return back to this one. The integration of this one, that's about this one. The integration of this one, that's about ln of the absolute value of s, and we put about c. About v, that is about this one, so we need to divide both sides by s, and then we change v into y over s. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.